First, open your browser and go to the link in the video description. Download and install Visual Studio Code for Windows. After the installation, open VS Code. Now go to Extensions on the left sidebar. Search for C++ and install the extension called C/C++ by Microsoft. In VS Code, create a new file and type this simple program: #include iostream, using namespace std, int name, open curly bracket, cout hello world exclamation mark, semicolon, return 0, semicolon, close curly bracket, and open the terminal in VS Code by clicking Terminal. In the terminal, type cd and your path to the directory where you want to save your file. Type G++-version in the terminal in VS Code. If you see a version number, the compiler is already installed. If not, we need to install MinGW. Download MSYS2 from the link in the video description. Run the installer and finish the setup. Now, in the MSYS2 terminal, type pacman .syu to update the system. Wait for it to update. Then type pacman-s-needed base-devil min-w64-x-86-64-toolchain to install G++ and other development tools. Finally, add this folder to your Windows path. C:\\msys64 /mingw64 /bin. Restart the VS Code program and check the presence of the G++ compiler again. Save the file. Save it, for example, as 4.problem.cpp. In the VS Code terminal, type G++ space 4.problem.cpp space -o space 4.problem.exe. This will translate your code into machine language and create an executable file. Then type ./4.problem.exe. This will run the program. You should see the text
hello world
Then
in the
type
terminal.
You can also modify your text and compile and run the program again. This will run the program. You should see the text hello world in the terminal. You can also modify your text and compile and run the program again.
Congratulations! You now have a professional C++ development environment on your Windows computer. If you are a beginner, you can also check my video about Dev C++, which is easier for quick setup. But if you want a professional environment, VS Code with MinGW is the best choice. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.